This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. My 3D certifications. This is Bullet Bike headlight cover, which is aluminium alloy casted product. You could see the picture of metal casting for reference, and material of construction is aluminium alloy. Here you could see the approx overall dimensions in mm of the headlight cover. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students, pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pic. Let's begin the sketch for back portion of the cover. Dia 200 by 70 by 5 mm thick. Let's solidify it with revolution. Let's begin the sketch for front portion of the cover, sketching a couple of lines and a spline. Solidifying the front portion with the revolution, the disjoint piece. Hollowing the front disjoint piece to a wall thickness of 10 mm. Sketching slots for front cuts of 13 mm wide and 10 mm thick ribs. Making the cover front cuts vertically through and through. Sketching sketch slots for front horizontal cuts. Making the front horizontal cuts through and through. Applied internal fillets. Drilling free hole for M5 mounting screw and replicating it to 4 numbers. Weaving quarter cross-section view of the model. Aluminium C355 T61 cast material applied. Approx weight 860 grams. Detailing done for product manufacturing, which is made on a 3D fully designed template. Finally, realistic rendered images of the bullet bike headlight cover.